Welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. This is Ipek. Today I have another Turkish recipe for you. This is also delicious like the others. Before everything, I want you to go ahead and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and share with your friends, share with your family. More delicious recipes coming up soon, so keep watching. Let's see what we are going to do today. Let me explain you a little bit before. So we are going to actually make a fried food. That's all it is. We are gonna fry some vegetables and meatball. That's all. This recipe actually in Turkey most of people make it in the summertime. Why? Because it's so easy to make. You're just using one pan, frying a lot of vegetable with meat. You're eating vegetable, you're eating meat. And because they're all fried, their taste is really good. We are gonna make on the top some tomato sauce and yogurt sauce. It's also making it so delicious, but so easy. It's not gonna take a lot of time. What we are going to use here, let's see our ingredients. The first thing first, I want to make my meatball before everything. So I can prepare it and put it in the fridge. And it can stay in the fridge for a couple minutes, 15 to 20 minutes while I'm frying and cutting my vegetables. So it can be more tasty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my meatball here. This is like a quarter pound of meatball. I'm gonna add breadcrumb, 1 egg, some salt, pepper, and start mix with your hand. My meatball is in the fridge, so I'm gonna start heating my oil for your vegetable oil. Inside too much, so I'm gonna take this part. Take a plate like that, put some paper towel on top. We are gonna put the stuff that we fried on this plate. My eggplant and zucchini. I'm frying my potatoes. I'm gonna cut some tomato for the tomato sauce. Take a smaller pan. Start heating. little bit in my plate. I have some potato, zucchini, eggplant, meatball, everything. This is so good. Also, I add a little bit dill on my yogurt sauce. It adds fresh taste into the sauce with tomato sauce. Everything is just so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know if you tried this recipe. See you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.